this guy? Who's
I know,
that girl?
You thought he disappeared. He moved away. We got divorced. Wait, we weren't married.
Practically.
He was my work husband who was
Exactly.
cooking for me, thank God, because you know I wasn't cooking
She
for me.
was my social media wife.
Chef Ken is still alive and well, and guess what? He is still cooking and creating, and this is, I mean, honestly, this is really exciting news because you are here at the Scottsdale Resort and Spa off of McCormick Ranch Parkway, $40 million remodel.
Yeah, just over $40 million.
I mean, just $40 million.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like pocket change.
Yeah, and about $10 million of that just in food and beverage.
$10 million of that was out of your pocket, right?
Oh yeah, I wrote a check. Yeah. Ever since I got rid of her, I had nothing but money.
Nothing but money. People are attracted to you. People love you. And when this opportunity came up, of course, who did they contact?
This guy. Yeah, no, it was fun. I actually stepped away from the company I currently work for a little bit. And they called me and said, hey, we bought a big project and we want you to be part of it. Matter of fact, our corporate office wants you to be a part of it. And just tell us what it's going to take.
I wonder why. I mean, that's so weird. Because you're the best. You are literally the
I
best.
don't know.
We are sitting in front of this brand new fountain because
Yeah.
everything here at the Scottsdale Resort is brand spanking new.
Yeah. So this fountain they actually put in as kind of a wishing fountain, so that when you check in, you get your room, you get your room key, and they'll also give you a wishing token.
Really?
And you actually bring that out here, and you'll wish for a happy stay or longevity, or to reunite with old friends.
Oh.
As you can see, I threw $5 worth of tokens in there. I was going to hit eventually.
I hear that there's a speakeasy.
There is.
Apparently, your sous chef said it's SAF. You don't know what that means? Sexy as.
Yeah. Oh.
And you have to get the password. If you don't have a password, you're not getting in. He didn't give it to me.
Word of mouth.
He said you have to give it to me. Are you going to give it to me?
Word of mouth. Word of mouth is the password.
Is it?
Yes.
Is it? Okay.
Oh, it's either that or password.
Tell me what this restaurant is all about.
Decided that we wanted to do something a little bit more Sonoran cuisine based. And the big question is, what is Sonoran cuisine?
I have no idea.
And nobody knows what Sonoran cuisine is. And so when you say Sonoran cuisine, they automatically go to Tex-Mex. And it's not Tex-Mex. It's the idea of Latin cuisine, Native American cuisine, and then also, just the desert and what the desert has to lend. But what I did is I wanted to coin and bring back Sonoran cuisine in the way it was truly meant to be. And so we called it La Fogata, which means the flame. So a lot of things in the kitchen when you come over will be cooked on an open flame. Everything from our stoves to our hybrid grill to our wood pizza oven. Our bar has a gigantic bonfire on it. We have probably 14 actual fire pits here on the property. Just again, celebrating the idea of open fire.
I cannot tell you how gorgeous the grounds are. So if you haven't been to the Scottsdale Resort and Spa in a while, you got to come check it out. It's off of McCormick Ranch Parkway, off of Scottsdale Road. So charming. We're outside at this fountain, but there's seats and you can eat out here, and a beautiful tree with lights, and it's gorgeous.
Yeah, they did a really good job with it.
We ordered the octopus. There's meatball. I ordered a salad, and we ordered two entrees. We got the veal, which you said is
very good,
incredible, and scallops. So, and you also said that the sea bass is incredible as well.
Very good, but somebody's
definitely allergic.
Yeah.
You know what? You can book your reservation La Fogata. Can they book it on Open Table?
Open Table, yeah, La Fogata or the Madam.
And can they book the Madam on Open Table?
They can. And
yeah, but they have to know the password.
That's how you'll get the password. And for this month, it's word of mouth.
I want you. I'm so excited. Perfect song, right? You're excited. I'm excited.
I am excited.